in. Chicago School is the one to complete the lineup. The wise betting at racinguk.com handicap. Well, he's just backed out. Chicago School was nearly in. Everything else in fine. Now Chicago School has hit reverse. Well, he was so close to being in. Handlers now quickly apply the blindfold, and hopefully that'll do the trick. Here he comes then. Hopefully he'll come forward this time, Chicago School, and complete the lineup for race number 1. He's going into stall 4. It's up for grabs now, the favourite, stall 2, breaking towards the inside. We're ready to go. And they're off and racing. Slow start from Brother in Arms, and a good start from Wildflower, but Kempton Prince also moves forward. Flowing Clarets just in behind those, Chicago School, and to the outside Poppy May has jumped away okay too. Meanwhile at the back, Malaysian Bole's sharing last place with Brother in Arms, the 2 slow starters. Wildflower has won the early battle for the lead though, and she turns with 4 furlongs left to go from Kempton Prince in second. Flowing Clarets is pulling fiercely. He's next, together with Chicago School and Poppy May towards the outside. It's up for grabs now, is just in behind them a very close 6. Mr. Potter comes next. Storm Lightning is being ridden next, followed then by Captain Ryan, who's still going okay. Then Malaysian Bole, and Brother in Arms is last, and Poppy Bridgewater working hard on him with precious little response at the moment. Less than 2 to run. They head down the straight. Kempton Prince is trying to get past Wildflower. On the far side is Chicago School. They're all coming through now. Down the outside, this is Storm Lightning finishing off to very good effect. Mr. Potter has come to the front as well as they head up towards the line. Mr. Potter and Storm Lightning. Storm Lightning this side. Storm Lightning of Mr. Potter. Storm Lightning, Mr. Potter, and Captain Ryan was staying on. Then a bunch of horses just in behind them, including Brother in Arms, who ran on to some degree down the outside, but not good enough for a place.
Photo finish, photo finish. Here is the result of the photo finish for first place. First, number 11, Storm Lightning. Second, number 2. Third, number 6, the 4th placed horse, number 3. The full result of race 1, the wise betting at racinguk.com handicap stakes. First, number 11, Storm Lightning. Second, number 2, Mr. Potter. Third, number 6, Captain Ryan. The 4th placed horse, number 3, Brother in Arms. The distances were a head and 3/4 of a length. A head and 3/4 of a length. The official time of the winning horse, 1 minute 13.00 seconds. 1 minute 13.00 seconds.
And the starting prices for our opening race on the card, the Wise Betting at racinguk.com handicap. First number 11, Storm Lightning, 33 to 1. Second number 2, Mr. Potter, 8 to 1. Third number 6, Captain Ryan, 14 to 1. All